Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. The MC is in Meghalaya with a mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Ka East Khasi Hills District Badminton Championship ya kabla pynlong da ka synjuk kabla tip kum ka East Khasi Hills District Badminton Association kala kut no mane ka sngi ka tarik Nailur arhajar arpuar ha ka sngi kut lawan ban Pynshngain ka jingialang da I Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills I Kong Isawanda Laloo ha ka jingdon ryngkat ki ophisar ka tnat sports but youth affairs jongka sorkar jylla ki nongiashim bynta ha ryngkat ki dkhot jong ka synjuk kala don ru ka jingsam khusnam shanki lahduh ha katei ka lumpung Haba kren ha katei ka sngi Kong Isawanda Laloo I balong ru kum I Kongsan I la penpau ka jingsam kemenjeng I ban yoi basa shi sin pat lala ban pynlong ya ki jingele kai sports ka jylla ya ki bala hab ban pynshngain la arsnam kan thi na ka daw ka jingsap priang uknyang jingpang covid khat khandai Shu ila benrap ru ba isngo thu ki jing ka ba katei ka synjuk ka hab ban ya kandu nrei kren bahaki por ki bandang wan ka jylla kan sala ban penyo ya ki jaka ele kai ki bapaka bat ki badei thek tangi ki jing ele kai bat kumno ban ai jingi kai ki nong ele kai ka jylla ha ka liang ki jing ele kai sport ba pher
And the winners are Joshi. And the winner is Pratiksha Joshi.
gap of 10 years, the association is being able to have this tournament, which I'm sure all of you must have missed, and especially the young boys and girls, budding badminton players of our district and our state would have sorely missed. So I congratulate the association that despite the challenges which I know that you have, despite many issues which when I was sitting there discussing with the office holders, I came to know issues such as lack of space to practice glad that this stadium is being made free, but I can see marks all around of signs of which, was sure that my office had used it in the past and was not able to clean up properly. So I apologize for that. It is a constraint for all of us, especially during things like elections. We have no choice. But we really hope that one day such facilities, such infrastructure should and will be